Hello, and welcome back to Coin Lady channel. I will also discuss the most recent developments in the crypto industry. Apparently Binance is being sued by the SEC. The US SEC filed suit against Binance on Monday, alleging that the exchange mixed customer funds totaling billions of dollars. In addition, the announcement comes as the regulator has sued both the exchange and its CEO on allegations that Binance hid the fact that it was mixing investor funds with its own and transmitting them to a third party. In addition, the SEC-owned Merit Peak Limited is listed as the third party. You shouldn't give a hoot about this, since you should never keep your cryptocurrency in an exchange. It's imperative that you secure your crypto. I can't stress this enough. No transaction is 100% secure. You have no idea what really occurs during these conversations behind the scenes. However, the SEC has my support and Binance has mine. Binance, not the SEC, is who crypto enthusiasts should be rooting for. Many individuals have said to me, I hope he gets his. Ideally, Binance would fail. If you have any cryptocurrency holdings at all, you should root for Binance to prevail in their dispute with the SEC. If Binance were to fail, it would be a major setback for cryptocurrency. Breaking Binance is being sued by the SEC. 10 tokens are named in the SEC complaint as examples of unregistered crypto asset securities. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies on the market are on the hit list, such as Sol, ADA, Matic, Filecoin, Atom Sand, Mana, Algo Access, and Cody Algo. Since Gary was suing Shilling Algo himself not too long ago, this comes as a shock to me, but ADA is an even bigger surprise, and I can't wait to hear what Charles has to say about her. The SEC also claimed that Binance had distributed unregistered BNB and USD securities. The SEC is of the opinion that the 10 secondary market tokens in question constitute securities. Another incentive to support Binance is that Gary will likely keep shaking down other cryptocurrency exchanges if he is successful. There will be a shakeout of new startup enterprises. They can't afford to counter the SEC's resources either. In response to the SEC case, Binance issued a statement. Like Ripple, Binance claims it will battle the SEC to the full extent of the law, and it also has the financial resources to do so. And I don't think the litigation will be resolved for some time either. But as far as Ripple against SEC goes, I'll keep you posted. Date limitation, June 13. The Purchase Commission deletes the Hinman emails serve as Hinman's biography. Where's the SEC website smoking gun? Hyman's prior position as Director of the Division of Corporate Finance from May 2017 until December 2020 has been removed from his biography. According to his previous bio, Hinman's responsibilities included interpreting SEC rules for firms and recommending rule changes to the Commission. I quote Mr. Huber, "They appear to be preparing to throw him under the bus, which is probably the case." It looks like the perfect time for Gary to display his strength in front of the crypto space by filing a lawsuit against Binance prior to the release of these emails. On the 13th of this month, the papers will be released to the public. National shame should be applied to Gary Gensler. He needs to be restrained now. As chair of the SEC, Gary Gensler is not exactly a fan favorite. There have been rumors that he wants to replace Janet Yellen as Treasury Secretary, but sources on Capitol Hill say he has zero chance because he is unpopular not only with crypto fans but with the vast majority of the US government. That's fantastic, in my opinion. His current position does not require him to enjoy widespread acclaim. However, competence is, and Gary Gensler's competency is notable only for its continual absence. The SEC, under Gensler's leadership, has become a weapon for government-looted Luddites who worry about the safety of their hedge funds' investments in the US dollar, which is, of course, in danger. Take a look at the BRICS and see what's happening. In a moment, we'll have a conversation about that. But more importantly, Gary is preventing American creativity. No matter how hard they try, crypto won't be eradicated. This is the way of the future. Oh, and did you know what? Both I and you are committed to the long term. The acceptance of the BRICS currency in Europe may depend on our investment in XRP. According to Anil Suklal, South Africa's BRICS ambassador, European countries have expressed interest in joining the BRICS alliance. He did not give any specific European countries, but he did hint at an impending worldwide financial shift. All signs lead to France and Belarus expressing interest in joining the BRICS, as recent events have shown. In a cross-border transaction involving liquid natural gas, France settled with China. At the beginning of March, the French President, Emmanuel Macron, has also urged the EU to break ties with the dollar. So, not only do the BRICS countries threaten US currency dominance, but other European nations are eager to follow suit. And in the United States, where Gary Gensler is stifling creativity. The same moment. In my opinion, this is not a coincidence. The event is now transpiring. Design, and before it's too late, someone needs to halt what Gary's doing. Twitter account of pro-XRP lawyer John Deaton hacked to promote a fake token called Law. So, this took place over the weekend. You should always be on guard against fraud, but especially now. If anything seems too good to be true, it probably is. If you value your crypto, you must protect it. You shouldn't enter anything that doesn't appear to be safe, like what we see here. On June 4th, his followers began noticing tweets from an unknown account purporting to come from Dean, the account's genuine owner, promoting a bogus token Law. The hackers' tweets introduced legislation, the official coin that was developed from crypto Law. The new U.S. tokenization and DeFi senator around crypto regulation and jurisdiction law is a great example of creative legal thinking. If Johnny Dean were to release a token with true value, I have no doubt that a lot of people would buy it just because of his fame. However, it turned out to be a hoax. And, like I told you before, we're really close. A ruling from that judge is possible at any time. Keeping your cryptocurrency at this time is crucial. Protecting your crypto is a top priority. It's something I keep hammering home. XRP Ledger takes a giant step forward with the introduction of sidechain support for XRP assets. Seems like a fascinating topic. With the impending launch of a dedicated ledger built from the ground up to accommodate XRP as its native asset, the XRP Ledger ecosystem is on the cusp of a major breakthrough. Wojciech, an independent evangelist for Evernote and developer for Hot Pocket, recently turned to Twitter to announce the birth of a new ledger dubbed the Sidechain that will use XRP as its primary asset. This innovation will bring about a dramatic change to the XRP ledger by adding new capabilities and use cases. You may recall that earlier this year, Crypto Basic quoted a developer working on the XRP ledger as saying that the planned sidechain had undergone a security audit and that further improvements were in progress. New information from Jake suggests that the Hook sidechain, which is supported by the XRP consensus protocol, will bring to the XRP ledger a wide range of novel capabilities, uses, and expansion prospects. I'll keep you posted as developments occur, but so far, Hook seems like a promising venture. I covered this in an earlier video when it was originally announced, but today's video is, once again, focused on Binance and its recent developments. I feel that this is the SEC flexing its muscles in advance of the public release of the Hinman records, and I felt it was important to bring this to light. Until those XRP documents are made public, I expect the price to continue rising. However, I cannot stress enough the importance of keeping your crypto secure. You should know that I've only ever pushed Maxi. There are now critics of the approach. But as I've always told you, that's where you should go to acquire cryptocurrency and then immediately withdraw it. Never let your crypto files get lost. And every day, all across crypto Twitter, you can find folks who have fallen prey to some scam or another. And usually it's due of the choices they were making at the time. You know, I also want to point out that some of you said in the comments area how we are going to cash out if XRP does hit high values. We probably won't be withdrawing funds in US currencies. After seeing what's happening in Europe, I wouldn't even propose it. Similarly eager to distance themselves from the currency. The dollar's worth will drop abruptly now. at the time of withdrawal. In the future, I will likely come across alternative solutions that I will gladly share with you. Possibly invest the money in gold. In addition, XRP is becoming increasingly integrated into the digital marketplace. Still, I see no reason why selling all your XRP would be a prudent move. We have no idea where the price of this cryptocurrency is headed, but you may use our tool to get a sense of what you're holding. The future is in your hands. Remember that always. So, I guess that's it for this video. I appreciate everyone who has tuned in. I value every single one of you. Please like it and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.